Hello guys, this is my mom's birthday party. Yes, we just have a little get together for her 54th birthday, as you can see, and it was nothing big. It was just a few family members, just to let her feel special. This is this is nothing compared to what we want to do for her. And yes, right here she was just putting on her clothes to get ready. And just was dancing, having a little moment right here. Having a little fun. I love her so very much. She's a strong lady and she have come very far. And to see her happy, I tell you, it wasn't easy carrying the four of us, and we just want to appreciate her at this moment, telling her how much we love her and everything. Don't mind her face, she's very happy. Right here, I was just showing you guys what look at things we have on the table. That is corned beef. That was a salad, some apples, the cake, and you know, she was just saying peace. Just showing the sign peace to you guys. Hmm. Still dancing. And this is her niece fixing the birthday princess. So on her. Yes. And here is her little nephew and granddaughter. Grandnephew. Just saying hi to the camera. He's so sweet. So everyone was just right here, just billing and talking. Uh, I take this moment to just ask you guys, please subscribe, like, and share the video, please. I begging of you. We are begging. Very hard to do, guys. Please, thank you. It will mean a lot to us. This is right here. My sister was praying because we were going to begin, fully officially begin now. And she was just praying a prayer, knowing we have to confront God first, because He come first in everything. Yes. Yes, guys, this is the sound of the rain coming down as I am doing a voice over on this video. Well, it's a blessing, giving God thanks. And yes, once again, she was having a moment. It's her little granddaughter offering a balloon to her, which she refuses. Yes, guys, this was our granddaughter singing a personal happy birthday to you, Grandma. They're just having some fun right here. And we cooked curry chicken earlier, which I didn't get to show you guys because we were on rush, and white and brown rice. This is some people calling to tell her happy birthday, wish her happy birthday, her auntie overseas and her son and so on. There's a couple of people saying happy birthday to her. Yes, this is because I was being a little shy. My sister was get some food sharing that mom eating. She doesn't really like the camera in her face when she's eating. Mm. Those. This was just time to cut the cake which say happy birthday mom. We were singing here, saying happy birthday to her and all that. Taking some pictures and everything. This is a very long process. Here we were sharing up the cakes. And then sharing some ice cream. Yeah, I just want to take the time out to tell you guys once again, put God first in everything you do. When you get up in the morning, the first thing we should do is tell him thanks to live to see another day, another year, another second. Many people want to have the opportunity to do these things, to live to see another year, but didn't get the chance. So we are to be grateful for every single thing. God has been so good to us. Not every day things go the way we want it to be, but God have everything sorted out for us. And if we go through errors sometime, that's just our testimony to tell somebody that God have brought you through this and brought you through that, and you have survived. God bless you. Thank you for watching.